How about some 83 Tops football? We got rookies Marcus Allen, Mike Singletary, and Mr. Cool himself, Jim McMahon. All right, let's see what we can get right here. Come on now, who got gummed? Oh no, Cedric Brown. Sorry about that, Cedric. Ed Murray, he's a solid kicker, played about 19 years. Here's the Oiler leaders. Russell Gary, Jesse Baker, Buccaneer leaders. Is that John Riggins? Oops, couple of cards sticking. Oh yeah, Hall of Famer Ozzie Newsome, what a great tight end. Mike Haynes, Bobby Jones, Ray Guy, another Hall of Famer, only punter ever drafted in the first round. Mark Gastineau, Defensive Player of the Year in '82. Packers leaders. Tony Peters, Burgess Owens. Whether you're a Cowboy fan or not, you're going to love this. This hat was worn by the great Tom Landry. If you want to know more about this hat, watch the whole video on the Porterboys channel.